Hello everyone. To use a star feature in Google Docs, first open your Google Docs and on the top click on star icon. Now, after you start a document, you can find that document easily. For example, go to your Google Drive. Now, as you see, that file have a starred label and you can find that easily. Also, go to your Google Docs home, click on File Picker, click on Start tab. As you see in this section, you can find a started document easily. Also, again back to your document, again click on star icon. Now that star was deleted of your document. Again you can star your document. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.